Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome to Gardaland, Italy's premier theme park nestled by the enchanting Lake Garda. Get ready for a mind-blowing experience filled with thrilling rides, captivating shows, and unforgettable memories. Join me as we embark on an extraordinary journey through this magical wonderland. Gardaland offers a plethora of attractions that cater to every taste and age group. From heart-pounding roller coasters to family-friendly rides, this park has something for everyone. So let's dive right in and explore some of the park's highlights.
Gentili ospiti, benvenuti alla Giostra Cavalli. Vi invitiamo ad occupare i posti.
Our first stop is the legendary Raptor, an exhilarating roller coaster that will leave you breathless. Brace yourself for a thrilling adventure as you twist, turn, and soar through the sky, defying gravity at every twist and turn. Trust me, this adrenaline-pumping experience is not for the faint-hearted. After experiencing the thrill of Raptor, it's time to cool off at Gardaland's spectacular water rides. Prepare for an aquatic adventure on Jungle Rapids, a river rapids ride that will take you on a wild and wet journey. You'll laugh, scream, and get soaked as you navigate through swirling currents, unexpected waterfalls, and playful surprises. For those seeking a more laid-back experience, Gardaland also offers enchanting shows and entertainment. Be sure to catch Magic Elements, a mesmerizing live performance that combines breathtaking acrobatics, captivating music, and stunning visual effects. It's a truly magical experience that will leave you in awe. Hungry? Gardaland has got you covered with an array of dining options to satisfy every craving. Whether you prefer quick bites or full-service restaurants, the park offers a diverse culinary experience. Don't forget to treat yourself to some mouth-watering Italian gelato, the perfect indulgence on a sunny day. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the breathtaking scenery that surrounds Gardaland. Lake Garda, with its crystal-clear waters and picturesque landscapes, provides a stunning backdrop for this thrilling adventure. Take a leisurely stroll or find a peaceful spot to relax and soak in the natural beauty. As the day winds down, make sure to visit the souvenir shops and bring home a piece of the Gardaland magic. From plush toys to unique memorabilia, there's something for everyone to cherish their unforgettable experience. These mementos will serve as reminders of the joy and laughter shared during your visit. Well, adventurers, our time at Gardaland has come to an end. It has been an incredible day filled with excitement, laughter, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a family on a fun-filled adventure, or simply someone seeking magic and wonder, Gardaland has it all. So what are you waiting for? Come and experience the wonders of Gardaland for yourself. Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey through Gardaland. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming.